Duisport is so special because it's the first hydrogen-based inland port in the world. It's the first terminal which is converted from fossil energy carriers to sustainable energy carriers, in that way hydrogen and electricity, so like PV and storage. So we, Rolls-Royce Power Systems, delivering the fuel cells, 3 of them, each with 500 kW power, and 2 recip hydrogen engines, which each roughly 1000 kW of power. At the moment, as far as we know, Duisburg is a unique project. There's no project in the world which doing exactly the same as we do at the moment. The next big application which we are using hydrogen as a power source is data centers. And in this particular case, it's the backup market, where we basically replace diesel emergency generators to fuel cell emergency generators.